No, Mommy's
Cool door, Layla. Mama doing the roof?
Yeah.
The roof is on candy.
So these are called gumdrops?
Yes.
Not my gumdrop button.
What?
From Shrek. You know the ginger cookie?
Oh, yeah.
Not my gumdrop button.
Did he sing it or something?
No.
Because it sounds like you are.
Oh, sorry.
That's
Yeah.
okay.
You like my roof, Layla?
Yeah. Beautiful.
I don't think the orange and red should be right next to each other. But it's okay.
I know, sorry.
It's okay. Not everyone's an artiste. So those little balls, are they just candy? Are they like chocolate or?
Layla, what are these balls? Are they candy or chocolate?
They're candy.
Ooh.
Gumballs. I can start eating. I'm waiting to eat them.
Yeah.
Here, Stan, you can eat some of this.
Yeah.
You want me to finish making it?
If you want, yes, please.
Alright.
Well, maybe like